Hi guys, it's Elissa at Moat Cottage, and today I'm going to show you how I dehydrate bananas. I've got some overripe bananas here that aren't really good for eating. They'd be alright for baking or turning into a cake or biscuits or even giving to the poultry, but not really good for eating. I peel them and chop them up into even pieces so that they dry evenly, and I spread them out on the trays so that there's air circulation. And I just stack the trays up. On this last tray, I'm going to show you how we use the lemon juice. The lemon juice only changes the colour, so it keeps the banana from going brown and it keeps it a more yellow colour. So we add some water and some lemon to a bowl, and then we cut up the banana and we soak the banana in the bowl for 2 minutes. The banana we're using for this tray is also a ready-to-eat banana, which I find doesn't make good dehydrating bananas. I think the overripe bananas are way better, but I just wanted to show you the difference. When you've stacked all the trays, you put the lid on, and on this machine, fruits are 58 degrees Celsius, which is 136 degrees Fahrenheit. So we set the temperature, and now we just be patient. We're 3 hours in, and I like to turn the trays around and give them a chance to be in different places. So I pop the one that was up the top down the bottom, and I rearrange the trays. We're 9 hours in, and you can already see the difference in colours. See that bottom tray now? That's the one that was treated with lemon juice, and the rest of the trays weren't. So you can see the difference between the ones that were treated with lemon juice, that's these ones here. They're lighter in colour. They're firmer, and the ones that weren't treated with lemon juice are more sticky and a darker caramelly colour. That's good. That's really good. No. So definitely the overripe bananas not treated with lemon juice is better. There's so much flavour in them. These are dry. I don't like the texture so much either. It's like, I can't even, maybe like cardboard sort of texture, whereas these are more like a soft toffee. Anyway, personal preference. But I recommend letting the bananas go overripe if you're going to be dehydrating them. And I don't think treating them with lemon juice makes any difference apart from the colour. So I prefer not to do it. That's up to you as well. Try it and see what you think. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe, and you can also find us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you next time.